Hello, my name is Permatasari from class B morning of the first semester. In this video, I will explain the learning material about explanatory text. Okay, one, I can explain about definition of explanatory text. Explanatory text is the text of the content, the process of why and how natural, social, and scientific and cultural and the last other event can occur. An event, whether it's natural event or a social event that occur around us, always has a causal relationship or process. The meaning of appearance text as a whole is text whose function is gravity something is happening and there can be anything. In can conclude the explanation text is type text that explain the purpose or reason something can happen, even that clear can be natural even social insights on the culture. Okay, next I can explain about the characteristics of explains text, explanation text. The several characteristics of explanation text is include one, the information contained is a basic factual. The content are factual true. The content is the text are true according to reality or what they are, so they are not based on the opinion of the author. Two, significant nature. Explanation object event that can be studied using science or is the content include the significant word. And three, informative. The content is information about object of parent that are given to other people of or reach. And four, loading general stuff. Most of the discussion contain general phenom, social phenom, and the other object that explain in detail in easy to understand language. Five, they are a sketch maker. The explanation text there are sketch maker or the delivery of the sketch. For example, first, second, third, and so on. Okay, the next six. The thing discussion, namely at the panel, is the significant or the relative to science. In the information, it and does not try to influence you rather to the belief what is being in a discussion, and thus focus the general or generic, not human participant. For example, tsunami, birds, earthquake, rain, and other. Okay, next I can explain explanatory text structure. One, param in edification. In this section, I explanation text describe a general description in the natural param or event that will be discussion. The point can be raised about the process to how this natural param can occur. Two, a sequence of events. After knowing its general the phenom to be discussion, this section explain the cause and cancel question questions of each phenom. You can do description in the several paragraph regarding the cause and effects. This section is also known as a series of explanations. 3. Interpretation. Interpretation in the explanatory text can be cited as a review or drawing conclusion. You can provide feedback or statement regarding uh, the phenomenon resides in the text. Okay, next Marcia, I can explain about the linear rules of explanation text. In complying explanation text is to encourage to pay attention to the following linguistic rules. One, using the passive voice. Two, using a casual conjunction and sign. And three, there are the significant. Four, use a material and rational verb. and 5 informative. So the focus on generic things, not focus on non-human participant. Uh, for example, tsunami, flood, earthquakes, rain, and air. And it is impossible to use significant term used to more material verb and the rational verb and active verb. And the next, using conjunction of time and causality. For example, so, first, if, before, and then. And last, using passive voice. Explanation is a word uses that something casual explanation is true. Okay, this an example for explanation text. This example of explanatory text. Can you see that example text for the explanation? And I hope you understand in the explanation text for the example and the material. Okay, well, in my video about the explanation of explanatory text, hopefully can be useful, and sorry if are the word mistake in this video, and thank you for watching video.